What's up everyone? I'm catching my Kuala Lumpur flight. Almost there but got to rush now. I'm running late. Passengers just started to board. Cutting it close is not really ideal, but it's my thing. Let's get into the plane. I am seated at the back. In a fully booked flight, getting there needs some patience. Here I am, window seat 38. Buckle up now, this is my first ever flight review. Sometimes I'm glad I'm short. These few inches of space is priceless. Now it's time to relax. Let's check out this in-flight magazine. Food on the first pages? You're making me hungry. Kung Pao chicken? Chicken lasagna? Uncle Chin! I've heard good things about Uncle Chin's chicken rice, so I pre-ordered this meal on this flight. I can move things using psychic powers. See how I flip the pages? Food is here, yes! On my previous AirAsia flights, I've always skipped Uncle Chin's chicken rice, but not this time. Gula Melaka Muffin? What is this? Oh wait, whoa, Coleslaw! A cup of water for drinking, which is never enough for me. I'm hungry now, so let the gobbling begin! Isn't coleslaw made out of veggies? Cause this one looks like pasta. Let's find it out. Taste test! Okay, it's not pasta, it's cabbage. Crispy ones. Full punch of mayonnaise, light and refreshing. The flavor is coated all over. There's a hint of egg in every bite. So yummy. I wonder if I can get more of this. And a piece of raisin on top. Sweet. Let's try it out. That was good. I wish they added more. On to the next one. Uncle Chin's chicken rice. This is what I've been waiting for. Okay now, unboxing with one hand is a challenge. Fast forward. Time for the big reveal. Whoa! Now this looks inviting. The serving size to me is like tea time snack. But this looks so nice, I can't wait to try it. I splashed in some of the chili sauce off cam. Now let's dig in. Whoa, that is way tender than I expected. But the best part is yet to come. Eating! My fat face is ready for you, baby. Almost missed that one. Never waste a grain of rice. This is good. Let me find the words for this. The heat from the chili sauce kicked in. The rice is rich in salty, chickeny, savory goodness. And the chicken is just so tender. You can literally just use a spoon to slice it. So I was very hungry that I forgot to hit record. Silly me, but let's move on to the next one. Gula Melaka Muffin. It sounds so foreign. Can someone please peel this for me? Alright, I can cast a spell. Opening muffining. Piece of cake. This smells familiar. Let me take a bite. Tastes like coconut. The coconut taste is all over. The bread is so soft, softer than marshmallow. Teeny weeny cup of water, slightly puny. Seriously, if I choke while eating, I'm not sure if this amount of water will save me. Still, water's life and I'm thirsty. Nothing is as good as fresh water when you're thirsty. Wait, what? That's all? Oh well. That was all the food? No! Shh! Cabin lights are dimmed and people seem to be sleeping. It's quite a peaceful atmosphere for a fully booked Airbus A320 plane. Not feeling sleepy though. Oh! I got a tip for you. This plane doesn't have in-flight entertainment. Bring your own. Next, bring one of these sticky gel pads. This thing works wonders at home. Let's see if this will work on this flight. Some planes will have TVs in the cabin, but this one doesn't, so I'm making one. Next, stick your phone to the gel pad. Then attach your earbuds. Then play your movie. There, instant in-flight entertainment. A bit of resourcefulness goes a long way. Am I genius or what? You learn it here first on my channel, so be sure to subscribe. Baby needs some sleeping. Inflacious, sleepacious. Taking a nap now, one blink and I'm in KL. Oh, what a landing! Can you be more gentle sometimes? A baby is sleeping. I think this is my third or fourth time in KL. Never gets old. I'm the last passenger in the plane. I would love to know your thoughts about this video. Comment down below, and if you haven't, quickly hit that subscribe button. Click that now, I'm waiting. If you don't, you will miss my next videos. Teleportious Capsulations. I will be staying a night in this capsule hotel. It's all individual capsules and I'm scared of being alone. So subscribe now or I will cast a spell on you. I'm waiting.